Lifelong personal development is a journey. People who deliberately set out to improve themselves through personal growth and development say that their relationships, success, and overall happiness have improved. I want to tell you about a few ways you can improve your personal development. You must invest in your self-development if you want to do anything important in your personal and professional lives. Every person in the world is currently traveling down a special path, and an important part of your path is your personal development. However, personal growth is something that requires effort, just like other things in life. Welcome to Prepared Leaders. In this video, we'll cover what you can do to ensure that your personal growth never stagnates. Putting forth the effort to better oneself will inevitably lead to personal improvement. The goal of personal growth, also known as self-actualization or self-improvement, is to improve one's routines, conduct, actions, and reactions. Before we get started, let's define personal growth and discuss its importance. While it's true that no one is born perfect and that perfection can indeed never be attained, you can make sure that you're always moving closer to your ideal self with commitment and a focus on personal development. Personal growth is defined as a process of improving your awareness and developing your ideal identity, maximizing your talents and your potential, making the necessary changes to help you achieve your most important goals. Living a life well lived is as enjoyable and fulfilling as possible. Personal growth is important because it's one of the most important ways to reach your full potential and live the life you've always wanted. If you think that your body and mind are the only tools you have to reach your goals, then personal growth is the process of making your body and mind as effective as possible. There are many ways to continue and speed up your progress, but the following 4 tactics can be used right away. Number 1. Step out of your comfort zone. If you don't push yourself, it's hard to develop as a person. The majority of personal development occurs when we try new things. Expanding your perspective. In the same way that pressure transforms coal into diamonds, this could entail visiting a new country that you've never been to before, picking up a new hobby or field to study, starting a new business, or almost anything in between. You can develop into a better person very rapidly if you have the courage to venture outside of your comfort zone and try difficult new things more capable of achieving your most significant objectives. Number 2. Draw inspiration from others. A significant component of personal development is realizing the value others may offer. If you want to learn more and change your perspective, look to others for inspiration. It's a terrific approach to extending your horizon and learning from others. Learning from their life experience is undoubtedly a terrific place to begin. Listening to friends, families, and other people in your circle of influence is one way to get ideas from other people. You can also look into the lives of famous people to live more about what they did. In either case, there is a lot to be learned by keeping an open mind to what other people have to say in terms of knowledge and lessons. And before we continue, I'll be giving you time to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to be notified every time a new video is uploaded. And let's continue. Number 3. Look for ways to keep learning. Personal development and ongoing learning go together like peanut butter and jelly. In the end, if you aren't always learning new things, it's almost impossible to develop personally. However, it's impossible to avoid growing if you do adopt a lifestyle of ongoing learning. Knowledge and information are more readily available than ever before in the world we live in today. If someone lived for 100 lifetimes, they still wouldn't be able to learn everything there is to know. As a result, there are countless opportunities, but the more you commit to learning as you can during your lifetime, the more you may anticipate developing into the most ideal version of yourself. Number 4. Make time to work on yourself. It is simple to become engaged in daily tasks and disregard your own development. You must make time for self-improvement if you want to advance as a person. This can involve reading, conversing with others, or attempting new activities. Conversations with people you respect and admire, time spent experimenting with new things, and difficult activities, among other things. Depending on your objectives, this can involve spending 30 minutes at the end of each day learning a new skill, or if your schedule permits, a whole day. The idea is to set up a time management strategy for personal development, and then stick with it. So, assuming you do apply any of these suggestions, which I hope you do, how will you monitor your progress? Tracking your success is crucial to achieving any objective. However, it can occasionally be difficult to determine how much personal development you have made. Fortunately, there are ways to measure your progress and observe how much your life has changed since you started your self-improvement journey to assist individuals all around the world in creating their personal growth journeys and monitoring their progress. Everyone is on a different path to personal growth, and it must always be maintained. It must be worked for, just like everything else in life. Keep in mind that if you want to affect your future, you must act, and act right away. I hope this video was entertaining for you all and that it was helpful in educating you about how to advance your personal growth. Please give us a big thumbs up and enable the bell so you can get notified when I upload new stuff. Any questions should be left in the comment section below. If you haven't yet, please subscribe and I'll see you all in my next video.